I'm so excited, but I'm also so nervous. I literally leave tomorrow. Hola, hola. I just got done with my workout. So I'm gonna make myself a protein shake. I woke up so hungry. I just want to make sure that I'm feeling healthy before I travel some more. So what I'm gonna be having is my protein shake and a banana, and then a little bit later I'll have some more food. Almost forgot that I take these. It's the Mary Roots Liquid Morning Multivitamin, and then I've also been adding this hair vitamin. I just really want my hair to grow. I miss my longer hair. It's not like it was ever super long or anything. I want my hair to grow more now. And you have to take these before you eat, and they don't taste bad at all. Right. Cheers. Oh my gosh, you guys, today has been such a busy day already. I had to do a bunch of work at home, like emails, everything like that, because I literally just got back from Dubai like 2 days ago. I slept all of my day on Sunday, so today it's been like a lot of catching up. So yeah, today has been busy just catching up with everything work related. And now I'm on my way to a coffee shop to meet with my assistant, Monica. You guys haven't met her yet, but I'm so excited for you guys to get to know her more. She's literally the best assistant I could have hired, honestly. We have like weekly meetings and stuff, and we have one right now to talk about like Happy Girl Club. We have an event this Wednesday, so we have a Happy Girl Club event this week, and then we also have to just like discuss more things because I'm leaving again. And yeah, she's basically just been holding down the fort since I've been gone, and I'll give you guys a little update on how everything is going. Hello. Tomorrow at 1. Wow. Do that one because that's one that's hooked up to my Google calendar. Don't get if I'm flashing you, not after. No, look at you know. Working hard. Did you really mean it? Are you thinking you're my So my friends just left. I actually, after working at the coffee shop with Monica, we got so hungry and we went to get sushi, and my friend Stephanie met up with us for dinner. So after dinner, Stephanie came over. I was like, girl, I have laundry to do. So I have laundry in the dryer right now. I have some stuff drying in my bathroom, and she's gone. Carolina, who's my neighbor, was also here. We were just hanging out. We had some tea. It was very nice. And we're not going to be able to see them for a while, so it was nice to just hang out and have some girl time. But now I am back in the office working. There's a few things that I want to get done before bed, so I'm going to try to hurry up, but I need a sweet treat. So I'm gonna have one of the Yasso, I think that's how you pronounce it, Greek yogurt bars. I love the chocolate chip cookie dough ones. I mean, I love all of them, but this time I just really wanted these. So while I wait for the rest of my laundry to dry, I'm gonna enjoy this, get some work done, and hopefully go to bed at a good time. Let's go. First order of operation is run payroll, and then I have a bunch of little tasks. Alexa, volume up. It is, get this one. It's 11:48. I need to go to bed. I have not been sleeping much, so I need to go to bed. I've had allergies all day. I'm having some more tea right now. And while I have this tea, I'm gonna get ready for bed, and then I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? I'll see you mañana. Time to make some cafecito. So I like to keep my coffee grounds or coffee beans in my freezer. Then I have my coffee grinder, and then I just like this whole thing filled. I have to like restock it basically. And let me show you how I use my Chemex. I love my Chemex. This is a Chemex. So it's a drip pour over coffee maker. And I kind of just wing it. I don't really know how much you're supposed to put, but I like my coffee kind of strong. I think I do like 5 scoops. Actually, I'm gonna do 6. Okay, so let me show you. So that's how much I basically put. We have our water ready. So what I like to do is I just put a little bit, and then I let it sit for a second. and then I'll do the rest. I'm actually filming some reels right now, so this is not my normal morning. I hardly make time to light a candle, put lo-fi music. I'm setting up the vibe for this reel, which is so nice. So it's a little excuse to slow down. I had a meeting right now with my people from Amazon, like the marketing people that I hire for Amazon to help me manage the shop, just because it's too much to manage Amazon and learn so much about that. But anyways, they were having some technical difficulties, so it's rescheduled for tomorrow. So I have a little bit more time right now to film some clips for Reels and TikTok before I have my meeting with my manager. And then midway in the meeting, it's gonna be a phone call and I'm gonna be going to my orthodontist appointment because I'm gonna get the little thingies from my Invisalign taken off. I'm so excited. We're gonna finish it off now. If you've been following me since the beginning, I've had this literally for so long. Works like a charm. I still have to finish my protein shake. Yeah, I'm gonna finish up some clips and then continue with this busy day. Like, let me just show you this schedule. This is like a bunch of stuff that I need to get done. And I will teach you guys about my time batching. Like, this is time batching. This week I was obviously in Dubai, so nothing crazy. Yeah, so everything I do, I can literally, you can ask me what I did, what day, at what time, and I will be able to tell you. Everything's laid out. So right now it's like, okay, filming the clip, and then I have my meeting with my manager, so I'm gonna probably finish filming clips up until 10:30. So I love time batching. I swear by it. I will teach you guys how I do it. If you want to see it in a video, let me know. You guys, I just got back from my orthodontist appointment and I still have retainers on. They're just different retainers. So happy with how my teeth look. Look at, yay. I'm just so excited to not have the little brackets or something. Anyways, super happy with my results, and now I gotta get back to work. And I'm a little hungry, so I think I'm gonna make some food or have a little snack or something, but let's get to it. Hey!
How's it going?
You're on the vlog.
On the vlog? Oh crap.
All right, time to get a haircut. Here's the fit. Literally leggings, a black long sleeve, and a denim jacket, because in case I get cold. Oh, look at my screensaver. It's me and my mommy. This is Priscilla. We're gonna get a haircut today. I'm so excited. My split ends are so bad, so she's gonna work some magic. I know. I'm like waiting for it to just keep getting long. Like, I love to do short hair, but now I'm like, okay, I'm ready for the long hair.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I was like wondering.
Is it the summer?
It feels like
You think so? Because it was like right here, right?
Yeah. You want them a little shorter?
Yeah.
I think it'll look really good.
Let's do it. Maybe it'll show the grace a little more.
You're not scared of them anymore.
No. I just got back home. I love my new healthy hair. This is how short it is. It's short again. I want it to be longer, but it's okay. We needed to cut the split ends or else it's just not healthy and it won't grow. So I'm hoping that this encourages some new growth. I was so hungry because I did not eat that much today. So I picked up some Mr. Moto's pizza and I just got these 2 slices. It looks so good. And then I also got salad. I think it's barely 4, so I'm just gonna have this as like a late lunch, and then the rest could be for dinner because I'm just not buying food right now since I'm gonna be gone again. I need to film some other stuff because it's like golden hour right now, but the time change because of daylight savings, it's getting dark so early. So I'm going to take advantage of golden hour happening right now, get back to work once I'm done, and I will catch up with you in a little bit. Oh my gosh, you guys, today has been so busy. Was working all morning. I'm in my Happy Girl Club shirt because we are headed to our November Happy Girl Club meetup. I'm gonna take you guys with me so you guys can see how the meetups are. And I'm about to head out to meet up with Monica so we can set up, do everything. But yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. Let's hurry up and go. I'm like running behind. What is this? Focus. Okay. All right, guys, we are all set up for our November meetup. Here's Monica. We are about to eat really quickly before it starts. But let me show you the setup really quick. Monica's sign that she made. This is the whole table, looking so cute. We are here at Original 40 Brewery in North Park. They're so nice and let us borrow the space. We have some balloons And then these are all of the Happy Girl Club boxes that the girls will be receiving. And it's going to include all the supplies for a cookie decorating workshop that we're going to be doing for this event, as well as like some stickers and a bingo card for the girls to play. And what else? Oh yeah, and then some stuff from our sponsors. So I'm excited to show you guys how it turns out. Okay, quick update. We have some ladies here already. We're waiting for the rest. And I just am so obsessed with how these boxes turned out. Like, they're so cool. But yeah, so far so good. I'll show you guys how the event goes. I'm so excited for the cookie decorating. It's gonna be so much fun. So we always, of course, have our merch out for the girls to take a look in case they want to purchase anything. And then we have these also, oh, Monica made these cards. They're so cute. So you could fill out what spark, or it says this Happy Girl loves, and you just get to fill it out. And then you get a discount for a shop on the back. And then these are cute little postcards in my Happy Girl era. So cute. Of course, our Happy Girl Club stickers. And then the girls get to make name tags when they arrive. And we have our little What Sparks Your Happy Girl Moment station right here, where all the girls can put what sparks their Happy Girl moment. Say hello to Anna and Christine. We are waiting to decorate our cookies. This is gonna be a pumpkin pie, a fall leaf, and then this is gonna be a little coffee mug. So cute. And then we have all of our supplies right here. Oh my gosh, you guys, today has been so crazy. It's 4 p.m. It's 4 p.m. and I'm barely checking in on you guys. So yeah, this morning I got my nails done. Little French tip, because guess what, guys? I haven't even shared with you, and this is the reason why you are on this vlog. I am about to move to Europe. Just kidding, I'm not moving to Europe, but it feels like it. I'm literally going to be in Europe for 3 weeks, okay? 3 weeks is the longest I've ever traveled, I think. And I'm so excited, but I'm also so nervous. I literally leave tomorrow. So you know the day before a travel day is just hectic. It's madness. You're trying to get everything done. Nails done. I have to go get my eyebrows done in a little bit. I'm actually like ready to walk out the door as soon as possible. But let me just share with you the whole reason why I'm going to Europe for so long. It is my birthday month. It is my best friend's birthday month. And we're turning 30, the big 3-0. I am so excited to enter my 30s. I'm so excited that I get to share my birthday with my best friend, and our other bestie Hazel is going to be joining us. But yeah, me and Anna fly out tomorrow. We are first going to Dublin, and then we're going to London, which is where Hazel will meet us, which is where Anna will turn 30 years old. And then we're going to Paris, which is where I will turn 30 years old. I'll be Emily in Paris, and then Hazel will come back to the US, and then Anna and I will be finishing off our trip in Switzerland. We'll be going around different little cities in Switzerland, and I'm so excited, guys. This is the first time I get to have like a real Europe trip. I always imagined it was going to be like a Europe summer trip, but no, it's about to be a winter wonderland. It's gonna be so cute, and I'm definitely going to be vlogging. So if you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be more consistent on YouTube. I promise. And of course, I'm gonna be sharing all of my travels and so much more. Anyways, as I was saying, we leave tomorrow. So today's a little crazy. This week has been crazy in general. So of course, I'm trying to get everything done before my trip, okay? I also had to go to the mall to pick up a new pair of shoes. I needed some nice travel shoes. So let me show you what I got. Pretty sure everybody has these shoes. Can you guess what they are? Sambas. Anna actually got these exact ones, and we're gonna be twinning. I'm so excited. My bestie Hazel and her husband actually got me these hunter boots. They are perfect because you never know, in London it's going to be rainy. All of my friends have these except me, and you know, in London it's going to be rainy, so these are going to be perfect. And these are also going to be so amazing in Switzerland. So very excited. I think I'm covered with everything. I also went crazy at Zara and got so many things. I'm not gonna do a haul for you guys or anything because it's just too much. I have to pack tonight. I'm just gonna try to pack things that can match, like mix and match and stuff. And yeah, I've never had to pack for 3 weeks, so let's see how it goes. But I'm just really excited. I'm really excited. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done right now. So all right, let's go.
I started it.
then I'm not gonna be able to finish them. This Tom Kha is gonna hit. Oh my gosh. And then the mushrooms. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I think it's just because I slept the entire time for like all these long flights.
Yeah, girl, you pass out before you even get on the tarmac to take off.
Diga hola al vlog.
Hola.
Estoy tratando de subir más videos en YouTube.
Chile.
Quick update, I'm packing for my trip. Everything's fine in the kitchen, nothing too crazy. The living room, however, it's about to get pretty crazy because I'm gonna start like actually packing up clothes. But before I do my clothes, I'm taking care of toiletries, and most importantly, this is very important to me, and it is my like medication and like just all the little things for in case of emergency. All right, you guys, here's the deal. Don't mind the dirty mirror, dirty apartment. We are all packed up. It's time to close this luggage. I think we should be fine. It's definitely overweight. That's all I gotta say. I hope not. I'm gonna weigh it. That stuff is what I'm gonna be wearing to the airport. I have to put that in my backpack. My backpack's over here. Don't mind this. This is all gonna be for my mom. My backpack's over here. I still have some space, so I'm gonna put one of the packing cubes in there. I have to do some work-related stuff before I can put my iPad in there, but I'm taking my iPad, and Anna is still on the phone with me. She's right there. We are figuring this out.